Good morning, students. My name is Rajneesh Arora, and I am your new science teacher. Today, for class 7th, I'll be taking up the chapter Nutrition in Plants. Dear students, as you all know, that nutrition is very important in our day to day life, and all the organisms, either animals, plants, all survive on food. So, food is a basic primarily of our life, and without food you won't be able to get energy. All the daily activities, either walking, sitting, dancing, doing all your daily activity work, it will be via through energy. And if you won't consume food, if you won't take any proper nutrition, so you won't be able to grow and develop your needs in the life. So for that you need food. So if you consume food, if you consume healthy and proper food, you can perform various activities in your life that helps in the growth and development of your needs. So except that, in nutrition, nutrients plays a very important part. Basically, nutrients are whatever food you consume that helps in the growth and development of our body. Some substances that are very essential for our growth and development of our body. If we eat rice, in wheat and rice, it contains some essential substances that are helpful for the growth and development of body, as protein, vitamin, carbohydrates, minerals and fat. Because without these nutrients, your body will not survive and you won't be able to grow. So that is why the nutrients are the essential supplements or the substances that are helpful in catering to the daily needs, and it helps us in energizing our body. As far as example is concerned, some living organisms, in that plants plays a very important part. They can synthesize their own food, except animals and human beings, which are totally dependent on plants for their food. So plants plays a very important part in our day to day life. Without plants or without environment, even animals as well as human beings won't survive, because plants are the only organism which synthesize their own food, and human being and animals both are dependent on them. So this whole circle is basically the nutrition, and nutrition is related to nutrients, so they both go hand in hand. Except that, we'll be focusing on different types of nutrition, as the chart shows that in the nutrients, one thing is important, that carbohydrates plays a very essential part, proteins plays a very essential part, fats plays a very essential part, vitamins plays a very essential part. Except that, mineral, these nutrients helps in the growth and development of body, as well as give proper energy, as well as the bones. Each and every part is well governed. Our body is basically a well governed structure, and if nutrition and nutrients are not there, so you won't be able to go through the life process. So that is why nutrition and nutrient is essential for our growth and development of body. Those who are lacking in nutrition, they are basically going towards many diseases, just like malnutrition, and there are many diseases. So nutrition and nutrients plays a very important part in our day to day life. And the mode of nutrition is how I can get nutrition. I can get nutrition from vegetables, I can get nutrition from plants, I can get nutrition from green leafy vegetables. So the focus is on that whatever food you eat, it contains complete nutrition. It contains green vegetables, it contains rice, it contains pulses. Each and everything should help in the growth and development of your body. So students, hope you like the session. Thank you so much and have a great day.